Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Alright, so y'all, oh my goodness. I'm sorry I did not bring a video this week. I had things that was going on, so I was like, let me go ahead and bring them a video today, which is Saturday, because it was either going to be during the week, either not get a video during the week and get a video on Saturday, or the opposite. So I had things that I'm planning on doing. I am in the, doing some things. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I got was these Wick Warmers. They are $2. I had one manufacturer coupon for free Wick Warmer. If you hear anything, my granddaughter is in here also, so I do apologize, okay? Because y'all know I have her on the weekend. The next one I got was the Wick Warmer. I had $1.75 off of on this. I'm using my husband's number, so I had $1.75 off of here, so it came off. The next thing is the U by Kotex. The U by Kotex is, let's see, $3.25. There is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing is the Playtex Sport. The Playtex Sport is $3.75, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Robitussin, these capsules, okay? It's in the tin. It is $3 and I'm so sorry, y'all. $3.75. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. So you want to look for the 10 count to make it $3.75. Some places it is $4. Okay, so the Dollar General that I went to, this one was $3.75, and I was so good on that. Okay, the next thing is the Gain. I know I needed some more liquid detergents, so I got the Gain. The Gain is $4.95, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach. This is the 46 ounce, okay? The next thing is the Right Guard Sport. It rung up, y'all. It is on sale. Well, it's not on sale. I think it actually was a clearance item. But the Right Guard was $1.69. I had a $1 off digital coupon, made it 69 cents. Okay. The next thing was the Tide Downy. The Tide was $4.95, and there was a $1 off digital coupon that did attach. And this is the 37 ounce, okay? Because I told y'all I needed some more liquid, so I'm trying to incorporate liquid into my transaction, so it might be a little bit higher because I am low on liquid, okay? And then the last thing, and I love this stuff, this Dawn Power Wash. I always spray this on my dishes before I put them into the dishwasher, and I spray them on my dishes and then rinse it off, and before I put them in my dishwasher. And I just love these. They are, let's see, this is $3.95 for the refill, because I don't need the spray because I got a lot of the spray handles. So I just get the refills, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach. Okay, so after everything, let me move everything over. After everything was scanned and I put in my husband's number, my subtotal was $12.54. I was not planning on spending this amount, but I told y'all I needed some liquid in my stockpile because I'm totally out, okay? Y'all see my grandbaby's finger. So my subtotal was $12.54. Y'all know everybody's taxes is different. Let me show you my receipt. Hold on, let's get to it. There we go. There it is. Let's see everything. $12.54, and then look at the total savings, $17.75, and there is a 5 off of 25 for next Saturday. So y'all, today y'all, and also today is my sister's birthday, my oldest sister's birthday. Happy birthday, Deneen. If you are watching this, I love you from the moon and back to the moon and back. That is
Back to
my
the moon.
yeah, back to the moon and back. So all right, so just thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.